using these new blocks in code.org. So yeah, I know code.org would be new to you in the channel. So why not let's go get started. Come, let's go. Also, one thing, I cannot show my camera. It's very dark, so yeah, you feel a little scared. So yeah, I didn't really wanted to show you. Okay. So an event. So of course, when anything's happening, like let me show you. Let me add a little button. Actually, I could do that with screen one. Okay, yeah. So when the button one is clicked right over here, so when this is clicked, it's gonna do a random action. So yeah, then it's gonna play some yeah, this. No, don't please don't disturb the viewers. Yeah, true. Now when the button one's clicked, see it plays the sound. And also the second thing, it's a little interesting. If you put it true or false, if you put it false, then it's gonna not repeat it. Look. See, it only did it one time. Now let me do it as true. Okay. What? Oh yeah, I got reset. Yeah. Now, see, it's keep repeating. I have no idea why does this make sense, but it's like that. And also, there's a little arrow there. So if you press this arrow, then yeah, it's gonna do it one time. Yeah, spam this. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah. Second block, the button. See, it's gonna set the button's text. So yeah, let me set the button of this. Wait, what's the name of this? Button one, yeah. So let me type button one. What? No, there's no spaces, yeah. Into text. So it's gonna get another text button. It's a problem. Oh, okay. There's also the same thing, yeah. It's like the same thing, yeah. It creates a button actually. Mistakenly, I told that. Okay, where's it? With the backspace. Oh, okay. My laptop's a little glitchy, so sorry, viewers. Yeah, I know. It's a little glitchy. Get text input. So it sets the text. So let me put the text input of button one into text. Now it's gonna work. Okay, what is the problem? Oh, it's a button. That's why I think so. Wait, the guy said it's a button. Well, let me put text area. Copy this. Okay, go here. Oh my god. What up here? Control V. There. Yeah. Now it's gonna work. I think so. I think so. It creates a little what ID, like the button. Does it? Oh yeah, it does. I think so. Okay, this is confusing. Okay, text label. I'm not really sure about this. Let me put but after I could just put control. Yeah, I think so. It might set it to text, right? It is. Well, Okay, I have no idea what the hell's happening. But no problem. Okay, don't care. Yeah, I don't really use these blocks too, so that's why I maybe not know that. So the drop down. This is a little cool. What is this? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Yeah. So, oh, it's a drop down. Okay. Can I get this out, please? Okay, where's the drop down? One. Okay, actually, why don't I just copy that? A, then C. Go here. Select this. Then Control V. Okay, option 1. So it looks like it sets the. Whoa, it's gonna set it. I think so. Whoa, okay. Option 2. Okay, looks like it creates. Okay, that's cool. It creates. Design. Okay, looks like it creates a clone of it. That's cool, right? Okay, get text. Yeah, you'd already have known that. I'm going to show you if you don't really know it. On events. On the button. So on event, what was on? Yeah, get text, yeah. Okay, so it's gonna set text of a little thing here, text area. And text area 2 into the get text of button, yeah, button. So yeah, when I press the button here, if I press it, it's gonna set this. It's gonna change this name into button. Look, button. Which is a little cool, right? Okay. Now what should I do? Yeah, get text, and then yeah, I already showed you the set text. Set text of a specific thing, like the screen 2. It's not actually what screen. What it's screen 1. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna set the screen 1 into text, which is not really true because it's actually just gonna like put a little message to text. Cool. Okay, I wanna put a little emoji. Okay, where's the emoji? Yeah, the cool thing is that also like responds to emojis, which is a little cool. You can also set the name into emojis. Yeah. Also, one last thing, if you don't really know how to get emojis from laptop, I'll show you. So you just got to press the Windows with the dot, and then it's gonna get out. So there's a little thing which I really love. I don't know these Japanese things. They look like Japanese. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this is the whole thing. Okay, now get number is gonna get the number of so this screen one into button 2. So let me put the button 2 text as into 6 7. Sorry about that. Okay, right. Gonna set the screen 1 into get number. Easy. Button 2. Okay. Set number ID. Okay, let me set the button to ID, which is here, into 676767. Okay, yeah, run. Huh? What happened? What? Oh yeah, I kind of forgot about this. Yeah, shift this, and of course this very bad boy, this red thing. Okay, there. That's gonna be fixed. Reset and then run. Oh, okay. What is this? Button 2. Why is it not working? Oh yeah, that's all. Run. And now it's gonna change it to 676767 or like what I wrote here. Okay, easy. Next is signal. Oh, I already showed you this. Yeah. Check. How do I not get that? Actually, how do I not get that? Get checkbox. Oh, okay. I know this one. Okay, please remove these very not uninterested things anymore. Okay, checkbox. So it's gonna set this into checkbox 1. Okay, checkbox 1. Did I actually spell the correct? Checkbox 1, yeah. Into false. So yeah, now it's already false, and if you understand that, then you'll see. So it's gonna be true. True means that like it's gonna get checked. So yeah, let me show you. There, check. And also it creates. I forgot to mention that. Okay, checkbox. Okay, so yeah, it's just a clone, of course. It does not really create. It's just a clone. Yeah. Okay. Saihan, don't mention any forgotten things. Radio button. Boop. Deleted. Boop. Deleted. Okay, where is it? The radio button. Yeah, there. Go at this. Oh no. What the hell did I did actually? Okay, let me put this big so that I don't really miss. Two. Yeah. I don't know what are these. The checked one sets it checked. Hidden, yeah, makes it hidden from the photo. Actually, the thumbnail. Okay, where's the other one? Actually, I could duplicate this. Okay, please help me. Control A, C. So, of course, copy. Control V. And group 1. Okay. So yeah, now it's gonna create a clone, as you can see there. What am I doing? Why do I keep confusing things? This is already radio button 1. This is the radio button nothing, and you can check it. Boop, boop. Okay, there, easy. So like creates a like radio button, but does not like really like you cannot select one choice, which is like the same as Dropbox. How do I not say that? Yeah, Dropbox. Yeah, what was it? Dropbox. Yeah, Dropbox. Next block incoming. Get checked. Just grab the if the ID is get checked, so yeah, let me go. Of course, create a little thing. Checkbox. Checkbox. Okay. So make it big. I think so. I'm gonna miss. Okay. So yeah, when this is if this thing is checked, checkbox. What? Checkbox. Oh yeah, it's kind of forgot. Next I would Dropbox. Check box 1. Yeah. Box 1. No, it's 3. Wait, what? Okay, this is confusing. It was 1 a second ago. Okay, then it's gonna. Wait, is it even possible? Well, this is actually possible. Okay, actually, I don't think that is possible. So if this is a get checked, then yeah, it's gonna set the text. Which is of course not possible. I can easily understand that. So show you. If this is true, like it's actually like checked, then it's gonna like do a random action under here. So let me put set text the ID of screen 1 into text. Right. Now it's checked. Once on the checkbox click. It won't really run forever, so that's why I'm adding this. This is F. Okay, checkbox 3 click. Reset run. Okay. Now it's working. So yeah, the if blocks does not really work forever. It just work like 1 second and go finished. Same as like Scratch, you know. Okay. Next on the place is it set checked? No, it's set checked, yeah. So yeah, I'm not really gonna. Actually, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, set check of check box 3. I don't really know if this would work. Run. Okay, yeah, this does work. So if it is true, that means it's checked. If you put it as false, when it's already like, oh, it's already not checked. See, now it's gonna be like nothing. It's already false. Let me actually check this so that I can show you it. So, checked, yeah. Keep it check when it runs, yeah. Run. Okay, I'm finished. Why is it not working? Okay, no problem anyways. You already can understand, right? Okay, next on there is MHIDU. Oh no, yeah. Look at the URL. What's the research? Your code. It's already there. Do I have an IQ? It's already there. So yeah, design there. Control AC code. Control V. There. Run. Run. Yeah, misclicked it. Yeah, then it's gonna set the image into what? That's code. That's all. Okay, I'm executing that. Yeah. It's a problem of this. Okay, please ignore this triangle. I think code.org is a little glitchy sometimes. That happens. Okay. There. It's back. Now next on the block is set image. Whoa. No, already did the get image. Okay, it gets the image URL. Okay. Gets image of screen. What? There. Let's set the image 2, it is here. Set the image URL of the image 2 into the image 1, which is already gonna be set it to image 1. If I just do one click, there. Oh, missed. How did I miss that? Sorry. Okay, image 1. It's gonna get the image of image 1. So it's gonna set the image into the get image of image 1. So look, run. Now these two are code.orgs. Images. Okay, I hope we don't need these anymore. Yeah, checked. Now we need play sound. There. Please remove these for my guests, viewers. So you can choose any sound as you want. So like I'll put background, boxing gym. That's literally 58 seconds. I mean, it's doing that. 51 seconds. Nope, 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 nope. What the? It's off. You see what do I mean? I just often just still go on. Okay, let me record. Saihan. Okay, I record. Hi, my name is Saihan. Okay, let me play this. Play MP3. Hi, my name is Saihan. You heard that, right? Okay, choose. Okay. Play sound. Hi, my name is Saihan. It's gonna play this sound what you put it, or actually you could choose it. Like this. Okay. What am I doing? Why is Saihan playing? Okay. Stop sound. To play sound and then stop sound. Okay. So yeah, now it's gonna stop the sound of the play sound of sound for MP3 now. Now you want to actually hear it. See? Because since I put this very speed, that's why this happened. If I put it slow, it's gonna like it's gonna you can hear it and then that's gonna stop. Now you cannot hear it anymore, right? It's cause since I put it slow, that's why. Speed and it's gonna instantly stop it. Like it's gonna instantly do the blocks. Okay, next one on the line is here. Hello world. So it's gonna say hello world as a female.
Hello world.
Hello world.
Hello world.
It's gonna say it as female. If I put it as male, then you'll look. Of course, this is why I tell code.org is glitchy. Look, there's some error converting the text issues. So yeah, now it work. Hello, are you working? Hello.
Hello world.
Yeah, that's working. Yeah, it took a little long to do that. No joke. Okay, it's like gonna play any sound like you put. Like I'll put like the world's most favorited word. Why is it not working? Yeah. Okay, why is it actually not working? Can you actually see what do I mean? I'm done. I'm actually done. I'll put this as 6, 7. I was gonna say it as
67.
Put the space so that you say 67.
67.
Hell yeah. Okay, show element ID and then hide element ID. Delete element ID. Show element. So let me hide it first, and then it's gonna show. Look, let me hide this button tree, and then it's gonna show. Let me put this as slow mode so that you can understand. Run. Wait. Okay, now it's hiding. Now it's gonna show again. There. See? What is this? What is this? Okay, I don't really know this. And then it's gonna show. Now let me put delete element ID, which means this is getting deleted and gonna get hidden. I think so. Wait, let me see. 1, 3, run. If it deleted, it got wiped out from the universe. Okay. Okay, time for some of these very hard blocks, not too hard. So, hello. Okay, it's not working. Set the position. Hey, could you? Okay, I'm actually gonna rage bait. Okay, button 3 into 0, which is like in the middle. Well, how can I point at the middle? No. Wait, is it the middle? No. Okay, then it's gonna go like right over here, and it's gonna be 0. It's gonna go like in the middle. So where's 0? Yeah, here, there. See, the x plus is gonna be 0, and then the y plus is also gonna be 0. I'm just showing you as 2 so that it does not hide again. How did I actually did that? Okay, yeah. Position and then the width. What is the width of height? Yeah, it's first width. So let me change the width into so it's gonna be yeah, very small. The text is out, was very weird. Okay, now it's gonna set it to normal as well, not too normal. It's gonna get a little bigger. As you can see, height is a little 40. Well, it's gonna be 100 set it. Look, see, we got a little big. Okay, set position. A set size. Hey, over here. Set size of button 3 into 100, 100. Well, it's already true, so I'll put it 1000. I wanna see what happens. How big does it get? What? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, why is it not working? 0. Set the position around. Viewers, do you see this? Viewers, do you actually see this? Okay, yeah, too big. How am I doing that? Okay, set size, the set property. The ID and property, yeah. So you can like set the button 3 into like the X1 and the text color, any of these. You can set it hidden, you can set the image, you can set the border radius, color, border color, yeah, anything. So as font size, I'll put can I put 6-7? I want to put 6-7 so badly. Yeah, there. Yay. Okay, it's 67. The text is big, and now, yeah, you cannot see the letters. Too bad, too sad. Goodbye. Okay, next is get property. Just gonna get the property of the button one. Yeah, you already know. Let me show you. Write the text of the get property. Okay, what's the get property? Where's the get property? Get property. I'm just gonna write on screen one the property of nope, not gonna be screen one, button. It's gonna set this into button. Yeah. Hello, could you restart button? Yeah, put the button width into of the width. So it's gonna write the width of the button. So let me run it. So the width of the button, just so that I could show proof, the width of the button is 100. And the tall 100 there. Easy. Okay, reset. Goodbye. Actually, no, I think so. I might need it for the next one. Okay, this is interesting. It's gonna write the get position of the button. So let me get the position. The button. What's the position? 70. Set design. It's the X position. It's 70 there. Easy. And then also it's gonna plus. Wanna add a little plus here. And where should I put the plus? Okay, yeah, let me just delete this and then add the plus. Just the biggest problem. Okay, right, the X position with the Y position. There. So it's gonna plus the Y position and the X position. So let me go to part 4 of the Y position, X position. Run. It's 245. So what's the X position, Y position? 70 and then 175. So let me show you some proof. Go here. Where is it? Yeah, codes.org. There. Here. Okay. Dashboard. I'll show you like one of my projects. Yeah, I've been working on a code.org for some time now. So let me show you one of my calculators. Okay, here's it. So yeah, there. Okay. See what is what? Oh yeah. So yeah, what is 70 plus 175? So let me put a little plus here. Run. The plus sign. Okay, what was it? What was the 70 plus 175? Okay. 70 plus 175. Enter is 245. Run this project. 245 there. See, this is the proof, and also another proof. Yeah, look. If the equation right over here, this is called the equation place. Yeah, if it is equal to plus, then it's gonna get the set text of a question area, which is here plus, and then it's gonna plus those two, and I'm gonna put it set the question equation area, which is gonna put it there. When then is clicked, easy. Okay, there's my proof. Okay, set screen ID. This is a little interesting. Really needed. New screen. Here now, let me put it as screen. Well, screen 2. See, let me put this in slow modes. Okay, there. Set the screen ID into screen 1. Then it's gonna set it into screen 2. So remember, in screen 1, actually, where's screen 1? Yeah. its button in screen 1, and in screen 2 it's going to say screen 2 the button. Okay, now let me put it as screen 2. Okay, right. Now it's button, and it's going to change into screen 2. Just wait. I put in slow mode here, that's right. Screen 2 now. There. Easy. The last few blocks are RGBA. Okay, actually, what the hell am I doing? Yeah, it's gonna write the text of RGBA. It's gonna write RGB. Oh, I don't really know if this is gonna work. It's write the RGB and then 2500. It's not actually really like that. So yeah, let me set well. Okay, actually, I don't really know how to use this block. Okay, open URL. Okay, this is how I made my little phone projects. Here's the phone project. So if you press look, if you press this little YouTube button, then it's gonna take you to YouTube there. YouTube. Actually, they show that. Wait, let me go to what should I put here? This thing. Continue. There. It's gonna take you to games. Let's wait and show you there. It's gonna take you to games. There. So yeah, when the oh yeah, these are the locks. You don't really know the locks. I'll show you later in the future video. So when the YouTube is clicked, it's gonna open the URL of YouTube. So yeah, let me press run. Well, yeah. So yeah, I don't really know where did this video come from. Okay, there. So what was I trying to tell? My brothers actually watch these things. I don't really know what are these. Okay. What were these? What was I supposed to tell? I forgot my line. So yeah, you can get like a little like you got to put Control A, C, which is gonna copy, and then put Control V in the open, and then it's gonna open YouTube whenever you press that. Understood? Whenever you like press this thing, the YouTube button, which is the ID is YouTube. There, easy. And yeah, this is for today. So goodbye, guys. Have a great time and see you.